How to record a bounce check in QuickBooks Online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to record a bounce check in QuickBooks Online. So before you learn to record a bounce check in QuickBooks, understand that the meaning of bounce check. According to Investopedia, a bounce check cannot be processed because the account holder has non-sufficient fund available for use. So basically, to do this, what you have to do is first of all log into your QuickBooks Online account. Then you want to navigate to the Sales tab and select Customers. After which you want to locate and select the customer who has bounced the check. Then click on the Receive Payment button where you had initially recorded the payment. Moving on, you want to click on the Edit and then more at the bottom, choose Void. Do not delete the transaction as this would erase the record as well. Click on the Save and Close to save the changes. Step number 2 is to record your bank fee. So typically when a check bounces, bank charges a fee. To record this, you want to click on plus New button and under the vendors column, select Expenses. Choose the bank account affected by the bounce check and in the payment date field, enter the date when the check was bounced. Likewise for the payee, you can set up your bank as a vendor and in the category details, select the expenses account where you want to trace the bank fees. Likewise, you want to go ahead and enter the amount of bank fee in the amount field and click on Save and Close. After that, you want to invoice the customer for the bounce check and bank fees. So this way, you should have successfully recorded the bounce checked on QuickBooks. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.